Yo, what it do? Oh my fuck, I forgot to turn my lights on. Give me a second. Give me a second, chat. One. There you go. All right. Chat, what is going on? Did I miss something from last night? Did something happen last night? What's the word? Did something happen last night? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, first of all, market's dead, which is good. Fucking, I hope we continue down. Second of all, if you're looking for a stream today, I'm not taking, or looking for a trade on stream today, I'm not taking a trade. Fuck no. You can click out right now. If you're looking for a trade, you can click out right now. I'll tape read, I'll do all that. I'm not taking a trade today. Hopefully we go down to draw on liquidity today. That'd be great. 4-hour lows, 4-hour looks good. Bro, this is a championship shirt, bro. All right, we'll get into the good stuff. I know you guys wanna. Are you still in your option? Sure I am, bro. I'm down like 40%, bro. This is OPEX, bro. That's why. If the 4-hour pumps and closes green, I'm buying a rope, dude. I'm with you, bro. If that 4-hour turns green, oh my god. Yeah, previous day low got taken out. Still rejecting this. Okay, last. Yeah, I think we need to wake up for London or something, bro. Look at this shit. Look at London, chat. I want to sleep like around like 1 a.m. and I was looking at this too. Although, imagine this actually works out. Bro, come on, man. Come on, man. Why are they giving us such good setups in London but not New York? Look at this. Oh shit. Give me a second. Look at this, bro. Perfect ass sell model. Into previous low. Right? Bro, look at this sell model, dude. Beautiful. Now, like I said, I'm looking for a continuation. I would want this 4-hour to close on here. That's back to back. Yeah, dude. London back to back has been clean. Hopefully, we continue down to like as a trend day today. This is a pretty good dump, though. It's good. Make sure to drop a like on the stream, chat. I want to see this open, and we'll get into what you guys want to talk about. We chopped pretty much all week, right? Hopefully we can get today as an expansion. This 4-hour close here would be great. We have 38 minutes on this. All right, chat. Should we just get into it? All right. Last night, Apex sends this out, right? Whatever. They send it out. I'm reading it. I'm like, okay, like I get it. Like they're cracking down on people, whatnot. I'm scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. And I see this, right? I'm like, okay. I was like, this is interesting. You know what pissed me off last night? There's just two things that really triggered me, right? And I didn't like this. Listen to me. There's two things that really it didn't sit well with me. Was everyone went to Max's event, right? Everyone went to Max's event. Yes, Cosmo, they are. There's no, they literally are. I think, like I said, Brian will have a different statement. I'm gonna say what I gotta say. I'm not forced to say anything in a nice way or any sugarcoating way, right? We met every single head person from Apex in Max's event. This is them the whole time when talking to like Brian and stuff, right? They're like this, shake hands, get a drink, everyone's laughing, giggling. My thing is like, you have the guy there in person and you don't pull him to the side and talk to him. Yet you send this email out to everyone, right? That's what I don't like. I like, me personally, myself, I have a good relationship with the guys at Apex, right? But that I don't think that's fair that Brian was there in person. No one told him shit. And then we hear he is 2 weeks later from the event, right? Like, yeah, 2 weeks later, and now this is happening. That's just, I just don't think that's fair. This is completely false in terms of gold and silver hedging. Chat, if he was long gold and silver at the same time, is that hedging? Yes or no? I want you guys answer the question. If you're long gold and silver at the same time, is that hedging? Yes or no? It's a correlating asset. I don't think that's hedging at all. That's like trading ES and NQ and saying that's hedging. Right? Because it's a correlating asset. So there was no hedging. The MAE violations are times 20 on everything because he had 20 accounts. So like this, I talked to him. He's like, bro, this is like, I'm not gonna speak for him because any legal shit, but in my opinion, this is a little bit inflated in terms of the numbers. I think what the biggest thing people are missing, bro, is they using Brian as an example for the mass payout rejections that are about to happen. That's the issue, right? And this is the first time in prop firm history that people are getting behind a denied payout and supporting a firm. So they did this very methodically in terms of how can we get everyone on our side versus how can we kind of put the trader back there, right? That's what I think. I genuinely believe that. And they did it in a way where everyone in the community, you guys can see on Twitter and whatnot, is supporting Apex in this. I wouldn't be defending him if he was negative on the firm. He's up 600, 700K on the firm and he spent around $120,000. Is that, chat, if you could spend $120,000 and pull out 600 plus K, would you? Yes or no? That's just my thing. I'm just look, I understand they denied it, but I also people just need to understand that a lot of things are not as what they seem. When people see this, they probably think he spent like 500K. Bro, and things of this, bro, wait for 6 p.m. gap, allow silver to trade upwards and immediately shorten to the gap. Bro, who doesn't do that, bro? Who doesn't do that? Bro, I do that shit all the time on all the firms. I know you guys in the chat do that shit all the time on the firms. NWOG's the easiest fucking play of all time. And I get it, bro. That's what they that's what they want to do. Because double cup, it's the ROI, bro. He spent like 120K, he had 600K in payouts. If this payout would have got accepted, that would have been 120K spend with 3.3 million in payouts, right? That's the thing, bro. A lot of people go through this. I was pretty transparent about how many PAs I had and how many evals I had, whatever, right? But it's just like it's just different, bro. I think the way it was approached was very against Brian and against it's probably other people that are against it too. And to make firm wants to make themselves look good. In this case, bro, it's hard because when the payout denials start happening, bro, it's gonna be like, okay, now what, right? Prop firm trading is not real trading, bro. I can't emphasize this enough, bro. If you're not trading prop firms to rinse every fucking dollar out of this, bro, and this is coming from people, I'm just talking about okay, that's another thing. Every single trader who's taking a big payout has told me this, bro. It's a fucking casino, bro. They say it's the ultimate casino. So I don't want to hear anyone on the platform talking about, oh my God, this is not right. This is not how you're supposed to trade. Bro, it's a casino, bro. Bro, I've told this straight to prop CEO's face, bro. I'm like, look, you guys are a casino. I'm trying to rinse you guys. There's nothing wrong with that. If they want to ban, that's fine. That's why I don't really think too, bro. If they ban traders, that's fine. Apex denies, that's fine, bro. It's just for me, it's like, okay, you got to come out and show the full story. Look, I get it. Apex denied it. I don't have, like I said, personally against Apex. I know the people there, especially after my payout, right? I got invited to New York Stock Exchange. I met them at the Max event. Bro, as a person, they're great people. I'm guessing this is some like legal shit that they had to do. But it's like, it's at the end of the day, they can't put, oh, we rejected a $2.7 million payout because that's going to look bad on the firm, right? Instead, they go with this, whatever. What's the point of stockpiling evaluation and things like that if you can't even use them? Right? This is bad luck. You should keep your mouth shut. Bro, you think I give a fuck about social media? You think I make my money off social media? I can go disappear for the rest of my life and I'll have more money than all these haters combined, bro. You don't understand. I am a trader. If you think I'm going to hold my tongue on different situations, and it's not just situation, I talk about all the situations, right? Bro, I don't care about social media. I do not, bro. You guys don't pay my fucking bills. Affiliates don't pay my fucking bills. I'll go to my Apex affiliates. You guys can see exactly how much I make, bro. It's less than $1,000 a month. Even before I switched to Code Smart, right? Even when it was Code Desi. Like, I don't care, bro. I don't market social media shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't. I made almost $2.5 million trading last year. And you think I give a fuck about what social media has to say, bro? I am rich. Brian is rich. Lanto is rich. This is why we don't give a fuck about the hate, bro. Like, it doesn't matter. We don't care, bro. We don't care. It does not matter, bro. It literally doesn't matter. And I hate to fuck. I don't want to be egotistical, but that's just a situational thing. Kane says the same thing. He's like, you think I give a fuck about social media? You think Jade Cat gives a fuck about social media? These motherfuckers are too rich to care about what anyone has to say about their trading. Anyone has to say about how they are as a person. Anything, bro. They don't care. Who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? I open my bank account and I see fucking multiple seven figures in there, bro. You think I give a fuck about what someone has to say on social media? This is why I don't reply to hate, bro, because I don't care. There's bro, I always see the tag and post, oh, you know how many people are saying my payout was fake, bro? I don't give a fuck if you think my payout was fake. All I know is $873,000 hit my bank account on a November evening, bro. I don't give a fuck. I do not care. It's just in this situation alone, it's mass payouts denials are gonna come, and there's this way to kind of not have backlash. That's what it is. No way you're comparing y'all trading to Kane and Jade Cap. Bro, I'm 22 years old, bro. These guys have 10 years plus experience on me, bro. You gotta understand. I love Jade. I love Kane, bro. I've met them, great people, but I'm not comparing anyone's trading. I'm talking about the mindset, bro. And then there's people over here, Lanto spent 700K on TPT. What the fuck? Do you understand how many accounts is a 700K spend, bro? $700,000 on a prop firm. Do you understand how retarded that sounds? And Lanto asked for TPT expenses before his 3 mil payout. I hope to God they send them, bro. So he could shut everyone up on Twitter and whatever the fuck people are talking about, bro. It's dude, 700K payout. Why doesn't Lanto show his dashboard? Bro, he doesn't have to. He's literally asked James for the expenses. If James sends the expenses, he'll show it with you guys. Simple as that. Dude, it's just like I just people are looking past the why this is being put out there, which look, I don't think Brian really cares. I don't really care in terms of like, oh, he got denied a payout, bro. It is what it is. Life happens, right? But it's just like they're making him look so bad, bro. And it's just like tell the full story, bro. Tell the full story. That's it. That was my biggest thing too. I basically got fucked. That's it, bro. Bro, I'm gonna keep saying this, bro. Prop firms are a fucking game. They are a game. I don't care if I get banned from prop firms, bro. Like, I'm here for a ROI of 5, 10, 15, bro. I don't fucking care to trade on one single prop firm account for 3 years. I don't care. I will go through so many prop firm accounts as long as I'm profitable. Who gives a fuck? I don't give a fuck. You guys might give a fuck. That's fine. I don't care. Everyone gets hated on. They're all trading massive fucking $1 million live accounts, bro. And our live account trading is completely different from the prop firm trading. And that's just because of rules and stuff, bro. Like they are ass covering. I think so, bro. And like I said, I have nothing against these guys at all. I don't. I don't. I've had dinner with them. I've had all that stuff with them, right? And it's just like I don't understand, bro. I just wish it was a why not say it in person, bro? You're right there next to the guy. I don't know. That's just my thing. And of course, I'm gonna support Brian. That's like my brother, bro. I've been knowing him for like 5 years at this point. You don't think I'm like, oh no, fuck Brian. I'm not gonna. I don't give a fuck, bro. I don't give a fuck at all, bro. I'm gonna support Lanto and Brian until there's no more supporting left to do, bro. And they do the same thing for me. I think out of the three, I'm the least hated on, which is why I don't need a lot of support. It is what it is. It is what it is, bro. But yeah, I thought this email was pretty meh, right? Like the way they put it, damn, bro. The way they put it, it was cool, right? Whatever. What I didn't like is like the only thing I really didn't like is you saw the guy in person, bro, and just tell him in person. Just tell him in person. It'll be clear up way more than it would right here. Me saying this probably cooks my chances of getting an Apex Live account. I'll say that right now, but it is what it is. They don't care about social media. Nope, they don't. Props are a game, bro, and I'm gonna live until a prop firm has a good live account where you can actually benefit as a trader. They are a game, and I'm gonna 100% believe that until the end of time. Until they have a actual end goal, like real prop firms do, like the one Jade Cap trades, right? Things like that. They are a game. That's just how it's gonna happen. Yeah, what the fuck happened to the market? Back in the range. It's OPEX today. This is why I'm not really interested in trading. It is what it is. Kind of watching the market. Pretty ass open again. I haven't. All right, back to regular schedule program, bro. I just there's a lot of things that could have been done differently, but it is what it is. Like there's gonna be a lot of payout denials most likely. I mean, I'm not gonna speak on it because there's probably a lot of there's probably that's probably the end of big payouts though. Like if you're being completely honest, right? It's impossible to run an account from like $2,000 to like 100K plus without breaking MAE rule multiple times. That's just how it is. It's very, very difficult. Yo, what does Brian sell? Tell me tell me one thing Brian sells and I'll be agree. He literally sells nothing. He has no course, no nothing, bro. I don't that's what I don't get either. The MAE rolls like I think it's a like 30% of your drawdown. You can't lose more than 30% of your account in one day. So like if you have a $2,000 account, what's that like 600 bucks? Like at the end of the day, bro, I don't care. I did my shit with prop firms, bro. I trade mostly on my live account. I don't. It is what it is, bro. Like Brian has no course or anything, so like I just don't understand what people are trying to say. But oh, he has smart prop firm, bro. You choose to use the affiliate code. No one is forcing anyone to do it, bro. Yeah, I think probably if I had to guess today would be like a range day. I'm guessing pretty bad. Only thing I would have been interested in is if we moved lower off this open, but typing back, dude. These lows have been fucking here for so long. I'm just gonna wait for these lows to get taken out. With that being said, do I think you guys should stop trading Apex? No, because if you got this, I still think it has the highest leverage. You can get 40K per payout. It is what it is, but that's just my thoughts. Like I want to say, oh, you stop trading the firm, whatever. I'm just saying if you're looking to run up a big balance, it's probably not going to happen. The issue is like a lot of these influencers who are talking shit, bro. They probably also tried to do what Brian did, but they weren't able to, bro. At the end of the day, bro, here's what I'm looking at it. It's a $2.7 million drawdown. It's a $2.7 million payout that's denied, bro. And they can't just say that in the email. We're denying a $2.7 million payout. It'll look really bad, bro. And look, like I said, I'm thankful for the opportunity I was given with Apex, right? And I was able to extract a large amount from it. And that's that. These narratives are just funny though. The 700K thing on Lantos shit, I think that might be the funniest, bro. 700K, bro. How can you spend 700K with a prop firm and you can only have 10 funded accounts for a month? Yes, bro, it's realistic. It is. But I mean, if you're not good at trading, then it's not. Apex is like a hard firm because they have trillion drawdown. I'm not complaining about him breaking the rules, bro. I'm complaining about how they perceive it, bro. That's the issue, bro. They're very, if you guys don't understand how that email is formatted, bro, it's very, come on, bro. Come on. This is a good play by them. I'm not gonna lie. They rallied the entire community behind them, which is for someone who was always the community always shits on them. They ended up supporting them. It's funny. Dude, like I said, I don't think anyone's bro, denied, accepted, it doesn't matter, bro. I'm telling you, it's the way it was perceived, bro. Like they put all those informations out, right? But they didn't put his ROI. Why not put his ROI out there? And chat, keep in mind, like, and this is why I feel like a lot of people are new to trading, bro. There's gonna be market conditions, bro, that present themselves that are gonna be once in a lifetime, bro. And if you don't try to take advantage of that, bro, you might be the most dumb person ever. Like, it is what it is, bro. Like, there is, it's like, bro, it's once in a lifetime market conditions, bro. Go for it, bro. Go for it. Trump tariffs happened, go for it, bro. We were moving fucking crazy, right? Just go for it. You lose, you lose. You win, you win, bro. It's just, it is. How did he scam, bro? He sells nothing, bro. He sells nothing. That's his issue, bro. Like, there's nothing to sell. Like, I don't understand, bro. All right, chat. We're just pumping through these areas. You know what's funny, bro? There's people in the space that have all the social media following and can't take a single trade on their live account because they're too scared to trade, bro. Like, and no one cares. But this they care about. Okay. Yeah, this is crazy movement, bro. If we fucking go higher, bro, I'm gonna be so triggered. All right, chat. We're in this range, bro, from last night. It's kind of tragic. I would have expected at least something, but that 4-hour pump. Someone said that 4-hour pump's green. They're gonna get a rope. Buy me one too. KT, it's a people can't do it. That's why they don't care. Dude, they always cancel the. I feel like they always cancel the Supreme Court ruling. We'll see what they say. It is OPEC, so it is what it is. All right, chat. This is ass. How do we run 300 points without retracing, bro? Look at this, bro. We're never gonna go down. This is unreal, bro. We're just sitting this shitty ass price action since September, bro. Bro, we have not moved, bro. Chat, we haven't fucking moved, bro. Look at this shit. We have not moved. It's been 200. This is almost a year, bro. This actually is almost a year, yeah, with the candles. Bro, we haven't moved in months, bro. So bad. Look at these monthly candles, bro. When will we break out of the range? And dude, here's my thing. If we don't go down these lows, bro, that's gonna be so shit. It's 160 days at least of this chop. That's sideways action. Dude, the Rufus of Souls doing Victoria. It's literally deep house chill mix. Whatever that's thing. Yeah, bro, London was clean. Back and forth, chat. Back and forth. Dude, fuck SMTs, bro. I'm not looking at that shit no more. Yeah, I'll post it. I'm not fucking with SMTs, bro. I'm done. I'm done. I mean, dude, I don't think no one's gonna go and fucking sue Apex, bro. Like, I think it'd be very dumb for someone to sue Apex. That's $1 billion company, bro, over this. It's not, bro. At the end of the day, it's 2.7 million, bro. But Brian's good. Like, it's not gonna affect his life in the worst way. Like, oh my god, I need this money, bro. He doesn't. Inversion crash to 1. Let's see like a 300 point candle down. Did ES take out the high? No. This looks good. I'm not gonna lie. Would I take this? No. This is too chop. This one's for the haters. Make sure you guys use code SMART on every single prop firm for rebates, prop firm giveaways, and much more. Use code fucking SMART. That one's for the haters out there. That's for the haters out there. Use code SMART. Yeah, the thing is that Twitter, bro, any publicity is good publicity. Code SMART does not work on Apex, bro. On God, it doesn't. It does not, bro. That shit does not exist. I hate to see the discounts go. Facts. Oh, Desi still works on Apex. Let me make sure if I'm even able to sign in. Should be able to. It's funny because it says that I have active PAs, which is funny. All right, chat. Let's see how much I made off affiliates off Apex. Okay. I started using Code Smart like I think summer. Chat, I was making bank, bro. Oh my god. I was paying for my penthouse lifestyle. Bought a new Lambo with my affiliate money. Dude, I see a lot of things like, oh my god, they're making so much off social media, bro. Like, if you guys saw how much I made off social media, you guys would probably laugh. I'm not gonna lie. Call it smarter. Find us a stock to full port. Wish, bro. Workhorse. I don't even think it's listed anymore. You guys see that monkey that got beat up at the zoo, bro? I saw a follow video and he found some friends. What's your NDX trading strategy? Just pray, bro, honestly. Now, if we tap into like a 4-hour gap or a daily gap, I usually take NDX. So like if we're like trading a reversal into a higher time frame PDRA, like a daily gap, I'll take an in the money NDX, right? If we're trading for a continuation, I'll take out of the money because it's a continuation trend day. All right, chat. You guys knew it was gonna be a long live stream. I wasn't even planning on going live, but I just wanted to talk about that. I'm really busy this upcoming week. I'm moving out next Friday. Got accepted to a new apartment, which is great. This one was a 6-month lease. And we're looking for a bigger spot. So we got accepted to an apartment. I can move in next Friday. So probably I'll stream all week next week like normal, besides Friday because I'm gonna be moving. So now it's my second time moving. I'm kind of experienced, I guess. So hopefully I'll have my setup set up by Monday there. It just depends how long the internet stuff takes because I still have this place till the 12th of March. So what I might do is keep my setup here for now and then until like the last few days, maybe then move or like when I get everything set up. So I'll set up like the living room, the kitchen, all that bedroom stuff, and then I'll set up my office last. And I'll keep using this setup until I have to move out because I still have this for another 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But I can move into my new one soon. So fuck no, dude. Fuck no. But yeah, It's gonna be a really busy week. Next couple weeks. I'm going back home this weekend, visit my parents, so I'm gonna be busy there. Probably do like a matcha review in Bakersfield, so we'll see how that goes on IG. But yeah, that's it. That's it for me. All right, chat. I hope you guys are having a good week and have the good weekend. Week of price action was pretty bad. Very quick stream. Usually we run for about 80-90 minutes, but I have to go for this one. Really busy. All right, peace and love, chat. Peace and love. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Keep in touch with the socials. Instagram, that's where I'm most active at around this time, we pretty much. So peace and love, chat. Peace and love. Catch you guys.